Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's recipe is going to be a delicious snack. We are going to make crispy beer batter prawns. Yes, you heard it right. The batter is going to be made with beer and the prawns will be dipped and fried in this. This is one of the popular Chinese snacks served in the restaurants in Lagos, Nigeria. There were a lot of amazing dishes over there. I still remember all of them, and sometimes I make all those at home because we don't find them here in the Chinese restaurants. So this snack is really delicious. You are going to love it. And those who want to avoid alcohol can use club soda instead. It will work well too. So let's proceed to make this snack. And these prawns are served with a nice spicy chili garlic sauce. So even that recipe, I've already uploaded the video. You can check it out. So now let's get started. Crispy beer batter prawns, a delicious and irresistible Chinese snack. It's perfect party dish. I'm sure all your friends and family are going to fall in love with this snack. Make and enjoy. So for this we'll require prawns. I've taken quarter kilo prawns, clean, deveined them, leave the tails intact. And here we have beer, 1 pint of beer. We are going to mix the batter with this. You can take any brand. I've taken Heineken, and for those who want to skip alcohol, you can use club soda. It will work well too. And then some soy sauce. Here I have a dark soy sauce which is really very good, and oil to fry, 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch, some salt to taste, and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. You can even use garlic paste. Now let's do the marination. Add the garlic granules or garlic paste and little salt. And the soy sauce. As this is a dark soy sauce, I'm adding very little, less than quarter teaspoon. If you are using the normal soy sauce, you can add a tablespoonful of it. This has good color also, so little is sufficient. Mix everything well so that they get marinated. Now this is done, and here's a small tip for you. Take the prawn and snip it a little on the lower side. By doing this, the prawns will not curl up too much when they are fried, or else you'll get a round curly fritter. So remember this tip, and better to use a scissor. So now this is done. Marinate them for at least 1 hour or more. Now let's make the batter. Remember, this batter has to be made just before frying the prawns. Take both the flours in a mixing bowl. Add little salt. Stir them together. Now we will be adding beer little by little and make the batter ready. Give it a good whisk with a balloon whisk. For this quantity, I used 3/4 of the bottle, 3/4 pint, to get a smooth batter. And if you are making for a party in large quantities, remember, make the batter in small portions, little by little, otherwise it will lose that frizziness. Make it in 2 or 3 batches. Now heat the oil in a pan and let's fry the fritters. Dip the marinated prawns well so that they are coated all around well properly. Drop them into the hot oil. Once the oil is hot, you can reduce the heat and maintain at medium. We did not add any chili powder or chili sauce to the marination because we are going to serve these prawns with a nice and hot spicy chili garlic sauce. I've already posted the video. You can check out the link in the description box. Keep turning them a couple of times so that they get fried evenly on all the sides and you get a nice and crispy texture. Do this on medium flame, do not increase the flame or else it will get dark color. And prawns cook very fast, so it takes about 5 to 6 minutes to fry each batch. This way, keep turning until they are evenly fried and you get a nice and golden crispy texture on them. Remove them on the kitchen tissue. Same way, we are going to fry the remaining prawns also. This is one of my favorite snacks. I'm sure you're all going to fall in love with this. Here goes the second batch. In the same way, keep turning. Now they are done. Let's remove these also. And you have to serve them immediately when they are out of the pan. Otherwise they'll lose their crunchiness. Here the prawns are ready for you. Make and enjoy them. I hope you like this recipe and you are going to give it a try. They look delicious, isn't it? Friends, do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. Here are some of the videos you might have missed watching. You can check them out. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.